Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can make a column stacky like this inside a Elementor container. So it will be fixed in a container, and you can, like this, you can put your table of contents here. So for this you have to go to this uh, page. In the I will give this link in the description, and you can find the course here. Let's just make a test page to show you how you can do it. So at first you have to go to Elementor, and then we can just make some and just write something here, like we can put a text editor and just copy this text, paste again. So, okay, so we have post something, some lines here. So let's make a column. Just let's duplicate it and the same text. Just know what you, if you want to, here, and then let's just, we will make a column here. So for this you have to put this inner section here, and you can keep two sections, or you can just let one, and then you can just put an image. You have to put this image inside this section, and let's put any image here, like it. So yeah, you can see an image. So just copy this, take a parent, this class name, and put this class name to this parent column of field. So you see it is not stacking now. Okay, just put two of the text file here, and one text file, and again let's put one text file below, so that we can see again inside this or not. So we have to put here this class name here, stacky parent, and then we have to put stacky column class name in this inner section. Get this class name. Okay, then you have to just copy this and put it in this main column, or just to put this custom CSS here. So if we see this column is stacky, and this image is stacky like this. And you can also put some text here, like some buttons here, so that you can put some buttons. And if you want to, you see there is a padding upper portion, so you can just change the padding by changing this thing. Just you can, if you can change it to 1, so it will be the padding will be less. But if you use a fixed header part, like this page, then you have to put this padding to or this whole part will go inside this header part. So like this you can make your column stacky. If you have any further question, you can just put a comment below, or you can just put any questions in the comments, so I will give you another lecture, another, I make another video on that. And you can just, if it helps you, then you can just like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.